What's up, everybody? It's been a long time since I actually made a video, but this right here is like a band-aid to what used to be my really pretty tank, and now it's got like just nasty stuff everywhere. So I'll be cleaning it out, and let's do it. Three days since I had actually looked at this, but I'll be taking off the moss from my driftwood. It's just kind of an eyesore. I don't really like it anymore, so we're gonna take that off, clean it up, do a big old water change, and dose some prime, a little bit more fertilizer. I'll put some of this fluorine K in here, if you know. Yeah, fluorine. One more bucket full, then I'll be really taking everything out and cleaning it. It's got my Anubias on there. Really don't want to mess that up because this is like one of my favorite plants because it just grows great. And I barely have to do anything with it. It just goes crazy by itself. Garbage. Good stuff. Garbage. Good stuff. Okay, I have the driftwood all cleaned up. I've taken they call it willow moss at the store. I've taken all that stupid crap off. It just looked nasty in the tank. So I got the driftwood cleaned up right here. Right. And the only other plant that I have in here now is Amazon swords. And I have those all cleaned up, all the dead leaves picked off. So I'm gonna rearrange it. And also, I will be like taking all this junk out in here. I got like floating crap. Anyways, I'm gonna take it out. Really sorry about all the gunk in the tank, but that's what that stuff did. It just like melted and made this nasty, like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at that. Just looks like a shit. Doesn't look good. That always fixes the problem.
take the pipe off and shove it back in there. I want a canister filter. I just haven't got the balls to spend that kind of money for a filter, so. Plant time.
Look at those roots. That's crazy to me. Okay, so I have this cleaned. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and not look like hell. So, be back in a minute. I got the tank all cleaned up, the willow moss out. I dosed 2 caps of prime when I put the new water in, when I did the water change. Everything's all clean and it looks nice now. The only bad thing is, I'm not a big fan of how barren this tank is right now. One day soon, I will have dirt. So if you like what I'm doing, subscribe. See y'all later.